Can you actually get free connects on Upwork without spending a dime? And if you keep running out of them, should you just buy more? Or is there a smarter way to make sure that they just don't disappear again? Look, I've made over 10 million naira on Upwork alone, working for my hostel as a student. And I'm about to show you how to get connects for free and make them last forever. But here's what nobody tells you about connects. Most people are using them completely wrong, and that's why they are always broke and frustrated on Upwork. Okay, my name is Anointed Cletus, and I'm an electrical electronics engineering student who went from making 0 naira to over 10 million naira on Upwork alone. I've completed over 76 jobs on Upwork, and I've worked with clients all over the globe. My biggest single project paid me around $650. But here's the thing, I almost quit Upwork because I kept wasting connects like an amateur. I was applying to every job like a desperate job seeker, and my connects would disappear faster than my data on MTN. But today, I'm giving you my complete system for getting free connects and making them work like magic. But you must watch this video to the end because I'm saving my best strategy for last. And if you miss even one step, this strategy will not work for you. Oh, and if you're serious about making your first $1,000 on Upwork, hit that subscribe button right now. And speaking of high-paying clients, if you want my complete step-by-step system that shows you how to make your first $1,000 on Upwork, the exact blueprint I used to go from 0 to making over 8 figures on Upwork, I created a comprehensive course that includes weekly group coaching and a WhatsApp community group for support. I'll drop the link below. But first, let me give you something valuable right now. These are the 7 ways to get free connects on Upwork, and I'm going to be counting down from number 7 to number 1. So number 7, monthly bonus connects. Every month, Upwork gives you 10 free connects. Now, I know that you are thinking, Anointed, 10 connects, that's nothing. But listen to me, even Tesla or Facebook or Dangote, they all started with small money, right? The trick here is timing. These connects come on your billing cycle dates, not on the first of every month like most people think. Check your account settings to see your actual dates. I learned this the hard way when I was waiting for connects that weren't coming. Number 6, complete Upwork training videos. This is pure gold that most people ignore. Upwork occasionally offers free connects when you watch their training videos or videos that talk about trust and safety. It's like they are literally paying you to learn how to not get scammed. It's easy money. I mean, easy connects. Number 5, get interview rewards. Here's something most freelancers don't know. When an established client interviews you after you apply to their job, Upwork automatically gives you 10 free connects back. But here's the catch. It has to be an established client, not just someone who just joined yesterday with 0 spendings, which is why you need to research clients before applying, which brings me to a crucial point that I'll cover later. Number 4, the one-time 50 connects bonus. When you first join Upwork, they might require you to first buy connects or get Freelancer Plus. But once you do, they give you 50 free connects to get started. Now, they've been changing this policy, but it's still worth knowing. But wait, there's something even better than this, and it's exactly what helped me land my first $100 project. Number 3, the badge system, and this is huge. Listen carefully to this one. You get 30 free connects for every badge you earn. The Rising Talents badge, 30 connects. Top Rated badge, 30 connects. Top Rated Plus badge, 30 connects. That's potentially 90 free connects just from getting badges. And here's the beautiful part. If you skip Rising Talents and go straight to Top Rated, you get all the 60 connects at once. It's like Upwork is rewarding your excellence. And then number 2, the Freelancing Plus strategy. Now, this technically costs money, but hear me out. Freelancer Plus costs $15 monthly, and they give you 100 free connects, plus other benefits like real-time job alerts and advanced insights. Do the maths. 100 connects will cost you $15. If you bought them separately, connects cost 15 cents each. So essentially, you are getting all the extra features for free. My advice, I recommend you try it out for 1 month when you are really serious about scaling your freelancing journey. Just don't forget to cancel it if you don't need this anymore. We are not here to waste money. And tip number 1, the profile completion hack. This is my secret sauce that nobody talks about. When you're new to Upwork, you might see opportunities to earn free connects by completing onboarding tasks like setting up your complete profile, verifying your identity, and watching how-to videos. But here's what I discovered. The more complete your profile is, the more likely for you to get these connects opportunities. Upwork rewards people who shows that they are serious. I know you might be saying, but Anointed, getting free connects is only half the battle. The real question is, how do you make your connects last forever? This is where most freelancers fail miserably. They get connects and they spray them everywhere, like someone spraying insecticide in their room. Let me tell you about my biggest mistake that almost made me quit Upwork. When I first started, I was so excited about the possibility of earning in dollars that I applied to every single job. Data analysis, web development, graphic design, anything that looks like it pays well. I was using AI to write my proposals because I thought that I was smart. I'll copy and paste templates and send them out like I was sharing WhatsApp broadcast messages. The results? I wasted all my connects and got 0 responses. 0. I felt like those people who buy airtime and waste it without making any meaningful calls. But then I had a breakthrough. So here's the system that changed everything for me. Step 1. the skill match filter only apply to jobs that match your skill 100%. I repeat, 100%. If you're a video editor like me, don't apply to copywriting jobs just because you can learn it. That's exactly how you waste your connects and damage your reputation. I learned this the hard way when I applied to data analysis job because the pay looked good and the job looked really easy and I could type fast. And then eventually I wasted all my connects because I had no proof and it was just really bad and embarrassing. Step 2, the client research system. Before spending any connects, check. Has this client hired anyone before? Do they have good reviews from other freelancers? Is their job post clear and specific? Have they spent money on the platform? I once applied to a job where the client wanted urgent video editing and he had never hired anyone before and the budget for the job was just $5. Now that's exactly how I've learned to spot red flags. The template that got me my first client, that boxing YouTube channel that paid me $45. Actually, the proposal template is really terrible. But here is something that can help you get your first clients if you're a video editor. Hi, client's name. I've read through your job post and I believe that I'm the perfect fit for your boxing YouTube videos. Your content has great energy, but I noticed the editing could be more dynamic to match the intensity of the sport. I've attached samples of my video edits so you can see my style. Quick question, are you looking for a long-term editor or just for this one project? Speak soon, Anointed. This template works because it shows you actually watch their content and you demonstrate expertise too. You also ask a question that demands a response. And lastly, you hit a long-term value. By the way, if you want my complete library of winning proposal templates that's landed me over $7,000 in projects, plus my client's research checklist and profile optimization tactics, it's all inside my comprehensive Upwork course. The link is in the description below, and you also get access to our weekly group coaching where I'll review your profiles and your proposals live. Okay, here's something that will blow your mind. 80% of your success on Upwork comes from 20% of your applications. So instead of sending 20 weak proposals, send 5 killer proposals. I would rather spend 20 connects on 3 killer applications than waste 50 connects on random jobs. When I shifted to this mindset, my hire rate went from 5% to about 30%. That's the difference between success and frustration on Upwork. Step 4, the follow-up strategy. When clients respond to your proposals, even if it's not immediate hire, you get 10 connects back. That's why getting responses to your job proposals is crucial. Listen to me. Always end your proposals with questions. Would you like to see more samples? Do you have any specific style or preference? What's your timeline for this project? Would you be available for a quick 10-minute call this weekend? Question forces responses, and responses give you connects back. So when should you buy connects and when should you not buy connects? Buy connects when you have a proven proposal template that gets responses. You've already made money on the platform. You are ready to scale and apply to more jobs daily. Don't buy connects when your profile isn't 100% complete. You haven't gotten your first 5-star review and you're still figuring out your pricing and positioning. So don't make the mistake of buying connects and wasting them when you've not figured this out already. And for my fellow Nigerians out there, let me share something that will surprise you. Being a Nigerian on Upwork is actually an advantage if you position it right. Here's why. We are naturally hardworking and persistent. Our English is excellent and it's better than many native speakers. We understand the value of money and so we deliver quality. And then we are available when American clients are sleeping. I was initially worried that clients wouldn't hire me because I'm from Nigeria. That limiting belief almost dropped me from starting. But my first clients, they didn't care where I was from. They only cared about the results I could offer them. And so if you're from India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, wherever you are from, your location doesn't determine your worth. Your skills, professionalism, and results do. Okay, now there's something I've not shared before, but I would like to share it with you because it's real. There's something spiritual about this journey. I noticed something that whenever I was on academic break and had more time, I would get more invitations to jobs. And when I was busy with school, the opportunities would slow down. It was like there was a divine timing to everything. Sometimes the delays we think are setbacks are actually set up for something bigger. The 6-month account suspension I faced, it taught me patience and made me come back stronger. Trust the process, work hard, but also trust that there's a greater plan for your success. So you might be asking, Anointed, I'm ready to scale, but I don't know how to go about it. So here are my best advanced strategies for those who are ready to scale. First is the boost strategy, and this is only for experienced freelancers. Once you have a proven track record, at least 10 completed jobs with 5-star reviews, you can start boosting proposals strategically. But here's the key, only boost proposals where you know you are the perfect fit. Don't boost desperate applications, only boost confident ones. I can remember I boosted a proposal for a $900 project. I wasn't able to sign the client for $900, but I ended up collecting about $450 because I knew my portfolio was perfect for what they needed and it worked. So now some of you might be asking, what is the best way to use Connects? Before that, I would like to talk about the Connects investment mindset. Think of Connects as business investments and not expenses. Every Connect you spend should have the potential to return 10x of its value. 15 cents Connects should aim for at least $1.50 in minimum return. But if you're smart about it, the same Connects can actually lead to a $100 plus project. And so you might also be asking, what's the best way to never worry about Connects ever again? And the answer to that question is get recurring recurring clients. Most of my income came from 3 to 4 clients who gave me recurring jobs. I barely need to apply for new jobs because this relationship, they keep me busy and paid. YouTube creators are perfect for this because they need weekly content. One YouTube client can give you anywhere from $200 to $500 monthly for recurring work. So what are the mistakes that waste your connects? I'm going to go over them now, and please make sure you avoid this. Mistake number 1. The spray and pray method. This is where you apply to everything without strategy. I've been there, it doesn't work. Mistake number 2, generic proposals. This is where you use the same proposals for different type of jobs. Listen, clients can tell if you didn't read their job requirements. Mistake number 3 is ignoring clients' history. This is where you make the mistake of applying to clients who never hired before or clients that have bad reviews. So make sure you always check their hiring pattern first. Mistake number 4 is underpricing yourself. I see a lot of freelancers competing on price instead of value. This mistake attracts cheap clients who wants to waste your time and your connects. Mistake number 5, not following instructions. If a job post asks for specific information and you don't provide it, you've wasted your connects. So please pay attention to details. By the way, if you have a friend who is struggling with freelancing or trying to make money online, please share this video to them. Sometimes the best way to succeed is to help others succeed too. Here's my ultimate secret, a strategy that saved me thousands of dollars on error in connect costs. Instead of always chasing jobs, make clients come to you. Here's how. 1. Optimize your profile for search. And to do this, you need to use keywords that clients search for. 2. Post regular portfolio updates. Just try your best to show your recent work. 3. Turn on availability badge so that clients know you are ready. 4 is for you to maintain high rating on Upwork because this makes you searchable easily. Or you can say it makes you rank higher in search. And then 5. Be active on the platform. Make sure you log in daily and you respond to messages quickly. The thing is that when clients invite you to jobs, you don't need any connects to apply. Before Upwork suspended my account, I usually get 2 to 3 invitations weekly, which saves me a lot of connects every single week. That's anywhere around 24 to 36 free connects monthly for just being discoverable. Now let's quickly go over the portfolio strategy. Your portfolio is your 24/7 salesperson. Make it so good that clients find you instead of you finding them. I spent a whole weekend completely revamping my portfolio with my best work, and literally the invitations started coming in the next week. Another key tip is for you to make the first portfolio piece your best one and also add a good thumbnail to it. Since you've watched this far, let me give you the exact roadmap that I used to make my first $1,000. Phase 1 is the foundation, which takes about 1 to 2 weeks. For this, you need to first optimize your profile 100%. Then create up to 5 to 7 portfolio pieces, even if they're sample work. Then craft 3 proposal templates for your main service. And lastly, you need to apply to 5 perfect match jobs using your free connects. Phase 2, which is where you get the first client, and it's between week 3 to 4. And these are the tasks you need to complete in those weeks. First, you need to get 1 client, even if it's low pay. Second, deliver exceptional work for that first project. Third, get your first 5-star review. And fourth, use earnings to buy more connects if needed. Phase 3 is the momentum, and it's between week 5 to 8. This is where you apply to other higher paying jobs with confidence. And then you need to leverage your first review in new proposals. The next thing is for you to start building good client relationship in order for you to get repeat work. And your goal here is to aim for $100 to $200 weekly income. Phase 4 is the scaling week, and it's between week 9 to 12. This is where you increase your rates based on proven results. The next thing I want you to do here is for you to focus on recurring clients, and then try your best to build passive income through client relationship. And then lastly, on the scaling week, you hit your first $1,000. This is not theory. This is exactly what I did. It took me a couple of months to hit my first $1,000, but every month after that just became easier. Here's what I want you to understand. Upwork isn't just a freelancing platform. It's a business opportunity disguised as a job board. Most people approach it as job seekers. They beg for work, undercharge, and compete on price. But successful freelancers approach it as business owners. They provide value, they charge what they are worth, and they build relationships. This mindset shift is exactly what I teach in detail in my Upwork comprehensive course. I show you exactly how to think like a business owner and not a job seeker. You get access to my complete client acquisition system, proposal templates, and pricing strategies. And you also get access to our weekly group coaching course where we'll review your profile and your proposals. And so if you are serious about making your first $1,000, grab the course below. Don't let this video just entertain you. Make sure it transforms you. So here's exactly what to do. Number 1, audit your current profile. Is it 100% complete? Number 2, check your connects balance. How many do you have right now? Number 3, apply my client's research system. Find 3 perfect jobs to apply to. Number 4, write 1 killer proposal using my exact templates. And finally, take action today and do not wait for Monday motivation. Before you go, make sure you smash that subscribe button if this video helped you see Upwork Connects differently. And drop a comment telling me the first action you're going to take after watching this video. I've also created a free comprehensive Upwork guide that can help you land your first client or your next clients quickly. It includes my exact proposal templates, my client research checklist, and profile optimization strategies. This guide alone helped me get over $600 plus clients, and I'm giving it to you all for free. Just click the link in the description to download it immediately. If you're ready to dive deeper and learn the complete system of making consistent income on Upwork, I've created a complete playlist for you. I cover everything from advanced proposal strategies to showing you how to get unlimited clients even outside Upwork and how to scale your freelancing business too. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.